Hi guys, how can you create this blocks texture glass effect in Photoshop? It's a simple effect that can give your images a unique and modern look. First, create a duplicate copy of your background layer by pressing Ctrl+J. Next, go to Filter Blur Gaussian Blur and set the radius to 33.2 pixels. Then press OK. Now go to Filter, Gallery Distort Glass. Use the following settings. Texture set blocks and distortion around 14. Smoothness 1 and scaling 77%. Press OK to apply the effect. Next, select the rectangular marquee tool and create a selection where you want the glass effect to appear. With the blurred glass layer selected, click the Add Layer Mask button. Now press Ctrl+I to invert the mask. Open Layer Styles and enable Stroke. Use these settings. Size, 1 pixel and position, inside opacity, 100% and color, white. Press OK. You can resize or reposition the glass panel anywhere in your desk, and that's it. Before original image. After a modern blocks texture glass effect with a clean glass panel appearance. That's how you can quickly create a blocks texture glass effect in Photoshop.